Hello and welcome to ZAPR and JAP Academy. The AI revolution is here, but it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Lurking beneath the surface is a hidden danger. Are we prepared for the consequences? Artificial intelligence has the potential to revolutionize our world, but it also carries significant risks. One such risk often overlooked is model collapse. Have you ever heard of model collapse? It's a term that's starting to make waves in the world of AI, and it's a potential crisis that could have serious consequences. The stakes are high and the threat is real. AI is already integrated into so many aspects of our lives. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to sleep, we are interacting with AI-powered technologies. But what if these technologies suddenly stop working as they should? The threat of model collapse is a looming cloud over the future of AI. It is a crisis that we cannot afford to ignore. So, what is model collapse? Imagine a complex machine meticulously crafted to perform a specific task. It works flawlessly day in and day out, but then, without any warning, it simply stops functioning. This is the essence of model collapse. Everything stops from normal and you do not know what the reason is. It is like a car engine suddenly seizing up, leaving you stranded on the side of the road, or a computer that freezes, leaving you frustrated and unable to work. Model collapse is a similar phenomenon, but on a much larger and significant scale. AI models are the intricate machines that power everything from self-driven cars to medical diagnosis. They are trained on vast amounts of data and are designed to perform specific tasks with incredible accuracy. But even the most sophisticated AI models are vulnerable to failures. When a model collapses, it means that it has lost its abilities to perform its intended function. It may start producing incorrect or nonsensical outputs, or it may simply stop working altogether. Model collapse is a serious issue that can have far-reaching consequences. It can lead to errors in critical applications, undermining trust in AI technology, and even pose a threat to our safety and security. So what can be the causes of model collapse? Model collapse is a complex phenomenon with multiple potential causes. While the exact reasons for model collapse can vary, there are several key factors that can contribute to this problem. One of the most significant factors is the quality of the data. Yes, the quality of the data used to train the AI models. If the data is biased, incomplete or inaccurate, it can lead to a model that is prone to errors and biases. The quality of data can be affected by the variety of factors such as the source of the data, the methods used to collect it, and the way it is processed and stored. Another factor that can contribute to a model collapse is the complexity of the AI model itself. More complex models may be more prone to overfitting, which occurs when a model is trained too closely to the training data and fails to generalize to the new data. In addition to data quality and model complexities, other factors that can contribute to model collapse include changes in the environment. Yes, the changes in the environment in which the model operates, the emergence of new threats or vulnerabilities, and the limitations of the current AI algorithm itself. The causes of model collapse are multifaceted and interconnected. Understanding these factors is essential for developing strategies to prevent and mitigate this serious threat. So what is this data dilemma? As AI continues to advance, the demand for high quality data is skyrocketing. But for collecting and curating such data is a daunting task, fraught with challenges and limitations. One of the biggest challenges is the sheer volume of data that is required to train the AI models. The more data a model is trained on, the better it will perform. However, collecting and processing such large data sets can be time-consuming, expensive, and labor-intensive. Another challenge is the quality of the data. Not all the data is created equal. Some data may be biased, incomplete, or inaccurate, which may lead to errors and biases in the AI model itself. Data privacy is also a major concern. Collecting and storing large amounts of data can raise privacy concerns, especially when the data is sensitive or personal. Ensuring that data is collected and used ethically is essential to maintaining public trust in AI technologies. The data dilemma is a growing problem that will only become more accurate as AI continues to evolve. Without a reliable and abundant supply of high-quality data, the development of AI will be hampered and the risk of model collapse will increase. Addressing the data dilemma requires a multifaceted approach. We need to develop innovative methods for collecting and curating data, improve data quality and privacy standards, and invest in data infrastructure. Yes, we need to invest a lot in the data infrastructure. The future of AI depends on our ability to overcome the data dilemma. By working together, we can ensure that AI technology is developed responsibly and ethically, and that it benefits society as a whole. So what is the potential impact of model collapse? Model collapse can have far-reaching consequences affecting a wide range of industries and applications. It could undermine trust in AI technology, hinder its development, even pose a threat to our society and our safety. In the realm of transportation, model collapse can lead to errors in self-driving cars, resulting in accidents and fatalities. This could erode public confidence in autonomous vehicles, hindering their adoption and development. In the healthcare industries, model collapse can lead to error in medical diagnosis, treatment recommendations, and drug discoveries. This could have serious consequences for patients and undermine trust in AI-powered healthcare applications. Model collapse could also have significant implications for other industries such as finance, cybersecurity, and customer service. Error in AI-powered system could lead to financial losses, security breaches, and customer dissatisfaction. Beyond the direct economical and social consequences, model collapse could also have broader implications for society. It could erode trust in technology, hinder innovation, and even lead to backslash against AI. The potential impact of model collapse is a serious concern that cannot be ignored. It is imperative that we take proactive steps to prevent and mitigate this threat. By understanding the risk of model collapse and developing strategies to address them, we can ensure that AI technology is safe, reliable, and beneficial for the society. So what are the solutions and mitigations? While model collapse is a serious threat, it is not insurmountable. Researchers and engineers are working tirelessly to develop solutions and mitigations to prevent and address this problem. One approach is to develop more robust AI architectures that are less susceptible to model collapse. This involves designing models that are more resilient to noise, bias, and other factors that contribute to failures. Another strategy is to improve quality and quantity of data used to train AI models. This involves developing better data collection methods, ensuring data accuracy and consistency, and addressing biases in the data. Early warning systems can also be used to detect signs of model collapse before it actually occurs. Yes, early warning systems. These systems can monitor AI models for anomalies and deviations from expected behaviors, allowing for timely intervention and mitigation. In addition to this technical solution, it is also important to address the broader societal and ethical implications of model collapse. This includes developing guidelines and regulations for AI development, promoting transparency and accountability, and fostering collaboration between researchers, policymakers, and industry leaders. The threat of model collapse is a serious challenge, but it is one that we can overcome. By working together and investing in research and development, we can ensure that AI technology is safe, reliable, and beneficial for the society. So what can we do? As citizens and users, stay informed about the latest developments in AI. Support research and development efforts, and most importantly, be a responsible user of AI technology. By working together, we can ensure that AI is a force for good rather than the threat for our future. What do you think about the threat of model collapse? Have you encountered any AI-related issues in your own experiences? Let us know your thoughts in the comment sections. If you found this video informative and thought-provoking, please give it the thumbs up and share it with your friends, colleagues and family members. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more AI and SAP related contents. The future of AI is on our hands. Let's work together to ensure that it is bright and prosperous one. That's all for today. Thank you very much for staying with me till the end. Stay safe. Until next video, Raju Shrestha signing off.